Debt is a major problem faced by individuals, businesses, and countries. The interest payment on debt reduces disposable income, resulting in lower consumer spending, leading to lower economic growth, and higher taxes and debts. But John and Muhammad found a solution. John was drowning in debt, paying over 20% in interest, whereas Muhammad had good savings, but his faith didn't allow him to earn or pay interest. To avoid this, Muhammad kept his savings in cash. When he found out John's situation, Muhammad paid off John's debt, and John had to repay only the principal, which saved him 20% per year in interest and helped him become debt-free sooner, while also helping Muhammad get rewards for the afterlife, as he saved his friend from paying interest, which is considered a major sin in Islam. With over 1.5 billion Muslims who consider earning or paying interest a sin, this presents a great opportunity to get the world out of debt. While there are problems implementing it for person-to-person level, these problems can be eliminated if implemented for federal and/or state governments. To start, our governments would work with Islamic communities to allow them to hold their money in a separate financial entity within their existing bank, known as Freedom Account. With the Freedom Account, the bank is not allowed to lend the funds to anyone except the government, nor can they charge an interest from the government. Instead, the bank would earn its income by charging an additional fee of around 0.5% per year from the depositors. Government may allow the depositors to claim this fee as a tax credit. The government can use the float amount from the Freedom Account to pay off its debt. This would lower interest payment for the government, which would lower taxes, resulting in higher disposable income, resulting in higher consumer spending, resulting in higher economic growth, resulting in lower and lower debt till it reaches zero. Muslim-majority countries could become debt-free in less than 5 years. Countries with a lower percentage of Muslim population could become debt-free in 10 years. Once debt-free, the government can start assuming individual debts of its citizens by paying them off and replacing them with interest-free debts only for necessary things like agricultural loans, education loans, business startup loans, mortgage for a first primary home, and so on. This would reduce individual interest payments and increase overall growth in the economy, resulting in a very low rate of taxation. If you love your country, please contact your local politicians to implement it. For any inquiries, email us